Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the radio CD player on Hyundai Sonata. This one is a 2008 model, but it will be the same for the whole generation from 2005 all the way until 2010. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. You have to know how to do it right, otherwise you have hard time, guys. It's not as easy as you think. First thing, you need to open the glove box. Once you open the glove box, there is two screws that you need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, one right there and one on the right side, and that's because we need to remove that whole trim, because the screws for the radio is actually right here, two screws I think. And now you need to get a prying tool and you need to start prying that trim. Be careful not to apply too much pressure because you might break it. And once we get it out, we'll show you where exactly the clips are, guys, so you know not to put too much pressure, or just where to exactly to put pressure, so you know what to expect and not to break any. Okay. And now here will be a little bit inconvenient. Okay, just like that. And we have one more right there. So you can see, guys, those are the clips. Okay, you can see one on the end, then we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8 clips all together. Alright guys, next we need to remove that screw with the Phillips screwdriver right here. And there is two clips with a prying tool. You can pop those open, one on top, one on bottom. Okay. Usually sometimes they're really stuck depending if they've been removed or not, and you can just set this one on the side, you don't need to mess with it. Now we need to do the same procedure on the right side. Okay, and see if this one is a little bit tighter than that one actually, because sometimes they'll be stuck pretty big time, sometimes they'll be loose. It really depends. Okay, that came out. Just a couple clips, and one is actually missing on the bottom, one plastic one. Sometimes they will even fall in, so we have to buy replacement ones. But there is a screw holding it on the bottom, so that's fine. I think nobody installed it last time they did. So now with a Phillips screwdriver we need to remove the two screws that hold the radio there. Okay, you can see where it is. Okay, right there. And now we have 4 more bolts that we will need to remove as well, not just the 2 screws. Okay, right there. And now we have 4 more bolts that we will need to remove as well, not just the 2 screws. Okay guys, so with an 8mm socket we're going to remove those bolts. You can see 2 right here, one we already removed, and the 2 right there. Okay, those shiny ones, this one here and the one on top right there. Okay, just like that. Make sure you don't drop those inside the dash. And now we should be able to grab it and pull it out. If everything's good, yep, everything's loose now. So we have only the wires holding now. Next we need to disconnect the wires, guys. You just press down, okay, and you pull, that's the antenna. You just pull it out of there. And that big wire, you press down and pull again. And that's the radio unit. That's how simple it is, guys, to remove it and replace it. Not as simple as it could be on other vehicles, but it's still not as complicated as we've seen on some vehicles as well. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.